Ow! Okay, so I might get looked for this, but it's raining right now. It's Friday. I'm walking to class, and it's raining right now. You totally missed. There's like wind and rain everywhere, and I'm walking to school. Still, look. You see it? You see it? So I totally debated on doing this, but I'll vlog a little bit as long as people aren't staring at me, because I think it'll be interesting for everybody who doesn't live in California, what today is like. So, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's raining right now. My front side is like completely wet. You can see it. The rain is picking up a little bit. Everybody's screaming. And also trying to get to class. So, hey, I'm back. Okay, so my hair is looking like this. My bag, everything is soaked. I don't know if you can see, but I don't have a backpack enclosure. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk over to school. We have a trolley, but the trolley is very crowded, so we're not doing that. So I'm just gonna walk. So, this is what it's looking like right now. Everybody's staring at me, I know it. As of right now, look, the umbrella is being used. It's more of an outward shield like this, instead of on top of my head, because the rain is moving sideways. This is how Californians react to rain. Puddles! Oh gosh. It's like puddles. So I just tried crossing the street, and there was so much rain, water. I almost lost my balance and I almost fell. I think the rain, I think it came up to maybe, I was crossing the street, I think it came up to like my ankles, at least my ankles. Like ankles, shins, that. I'm really happy I have this umbrella. Wait, puddles! So we made it to the other campus. Look at my hair and the sweater. Okay, so we normally have mountains that is right behind our school, and they look like this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Of course you can. And then look at the puddles and everything.